everyone, welcome back to this channel. In this tutorial, I will show you how to claim secret sweeping game rewards in Grow a Garden 2. So did you know that Grow a Garden 2 has a secret reward system that many players don't know about? And here's how to claim your rewards from the Grow Garden sweeping game. First, just go to the official Grow a Garden 2 foods websites and just vote for the items that you like on there. And if you don't know how to join this food event, you can just click the link in the description to watch the tutorial. And in here, when you give foods on these websites, if you are lucky, you will get the special rewards, and the reward will be sent directly to your in-game mailbox. And to claim it, just head to the mailbox in front of your garden. This one, just tap on view like this, and then just tap on mail, and then in here you can just claim the rewards that you receive. Just simply tap on claim like this, and just like that, the rewards will be added to your inventory automatically. This one, you can see it. And okay, that's it. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more tutorials. Thanks for watching, and see you.